happens next.
That sucker might go off, man.
Everybody please remain back. Elected officials, please remain back.
The chopper traps all 5 crewmen.
Everybody stay down, okay?
Freeing himself, the crew chief barely manages to scramble out of the wreckage.
For those in our spectator area, we do remind you...
Rescuers finally drag the rest to safety. 3 of the Sea King's crew require hospitalization for their injuries, but thanks to the bravery of the rescuers, there are no fatalities.
Often fly precariously close to the test aircraft. In this freak accident, a weapon dislodges from the F-18 and severs the wing of the chase plane. The plane narrowly misses the F-18 as it spins toward the ground. The fuel tank ruptures and the plane bursts into flames. The pilot is still inside. He can't eject until his plane is horizontal. Otherwise, to eject is suicide. Miraculously, the pilot is finally able to eject safely.
Trucking on down the river. When you get him good, I'll come around. We'll do another one. I'll come around and land behind him.
6-9, Finn.
And river up 028. We're going to break left and come in and land behind you, pal.
028, roger.
Got enough pictures,
Be
King?
landing behind 030.
Aircraft manufacturers have tried to fix that problem by designing the pilot out of the cockpit. This is the first fully automated plane, flown by a computer.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Pas de contact en glide. Prends la main pour prendre un peu de vitesse. Ouais. Confirmez la hauteur, vous avez stabilisé. Dans les pieds, vitesse. Merde. Franchement bas. Ok, vous avez stabilisé, 72. SPC. On est plein de PC. Ok, éjection, éjection. Éjection. Stabilisé, 72. SPC. On est plein de PC. Ok, éjection, éjection. Éjection.
take off again. Right there. Apparently the truck that brought the fuel didn't get out of his way enough, so he wound up crashing on takeoff, and I'll probably rethink the intelligence of doing that while taxiing. The plane hit that thing, and that's what happened. He wasn't injured, we're glad to say. He's okay. Just embarrassed.
Somebody got that on videotape.